Hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. It just started to rain quite heavily. That's not a good sign because we just met today in order to train a bit. And here already the course is ready. Apparently it's not the weather that we were expecting, but it is as it is. And let me tell you what I'm going to do today. Today I'm going to test my Xray XB4 that you saw 1 week ago. I'm going to put the video somewhere here. And I'm going to test with the rally block tires. They are not the best tires for asphalt, as you can imagine. But in 2 weeks I'm going to debut in Moravia Cup in Czech Republic. In their main category, you need to race with rally block tires. Talking about the cars of my friends, let me show you something a bit. Here we have a Tamiya XV-02, then a Tamiya XV-01 on 3D printed chassis, and an Xray TT-02, if I remember correctly, converted into RC Rally. If you are wondering how they are preparing the track, this is how we draw the stage. So in a few minutes everything is going to be ready. See you later, I'm going to help them. Okay, we started to train. We can see Richard with his Tamiya XV-02. It's performing very well. He already started to test his RC car some weeks ago. So let's say that he has already a rally ready setup. Okay, we are testing each other, measuring our times. Let's see. Gotowy.
3, 2, 1, start.
Okay, I really like how this model is easy to drive, but right now I'm suffering a bit of understeer and oversteer, especially when I'm adding power exiting a corner. The first thing that I would like to do in order to correct this behavior is to increase the neutral range. So let's start to work. The model inside is quite clean. I am satisfied about this cover. Yeah, and let's change the neutral range. Position 8. Okay, now it's 6%. I'll put it at 9%. Okay, and now let's go for another test drive. Okay, let's go for another run. Okay, I miss a bit of driving skills because this is the first training I'm doing after the winter break. But okay, this is the first step in order to improve the drivability of this chassis. I still have a bit of oversteer on the rear. I will need to add maybe a bit of weight there. But the car is very easy to control. In today's test, the first thing that I did was to increase the neutral range, and as you saw from the video, the car was much easier to control when I was giving power exiting the corners. I'm going to lower their position.
Macić sobie po prawej stronie od trasy, bo nie będziesz to tylko widział. Oświetlać, już widziałem.
Zaczął jeździć.
3, 2, 1, start.
I did a mistake. Okay, just an update about today's testing. I'm trying to learn how to drive this Xray XB4 modified into RC Rally. I think that slowly I am adjusting the oversteering problem. For sure I will add some weights in the rear of the car, and now I have to understand why I have a bit of understeer. I know that it's slippery, I know that I'm using rally block tires, but I think that there's still room for improvement. Maybe I'm using a two-tick differential oil in the front and also two-tick differential oil in the rear, and that's not good because even in 2 weeks the conditions are going to be slippery in Czech Republic. If it's going to rain, I will not be able to drive. So maybe I will lower the gradation of differentials oil in order to decrease the understeer on slippery conditions. Now I'm going to change the tires just out of curiosity. I'm going to put the Pirelli tires, and let's see how this car is going to behave. I want to check with better grip how it performs. Okay, I've changed the tires, rally block to Pirelli. Let's see how it's going to perform. Okay, gotowy.
3, 2, 1, start.
Just to make a recap, switching from rail block to Pirelli, I was able to, let's say, decrease my time on this stage of about 10 seconds. So what I understood after this test is that on slippery condition I'm using too thick differential oil. Okay, oh, I need to... Winter brake is kicking. I need to run a bit more, I think. Okay, I'm back on rally block tires, more slippery.
Nie zmień się. Jeden, start.
Okay, after a few hours of testing, I have enough. I'm tired, but I'm also satisfied because of the improvements that I was able to make. Now I understand in a better way this Xray XB4, and I already know where the change that I have to do in order to improve its handling. Here we have Wojtek. He's testing his Tamiya XV-01. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm going to miss my Tamiya XV-01. By the way, in 2 weeks I'm going to race in Czech Republic. I'm going to make a bit of changes in the setup of the car, but I'm quite satisfied. For sure, I have to lower the gradation of the differential oils. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for staying with me. Leave a like in order to support my channel, and see you next week with a new video. Ciao!